Welcome to 3/407 Ngatai Road here in Bellevue. My name is Nicholas Meloni from EVES, and I'm proud to present this gem to the ever so busy Tauranga market. This home presents beautifully and has heaps of character thanks to the freshly white painted Lockwood style interiors. The high ceilings in the open plan kitchen, lounge and dining area make the home feel airy and bright. There is great indoor-outdoor flow going onto the wraparound deck where the family and kids can enjoy their meals and playtime in the fully fenced garden. The home is insulated to keep the family warm or cool in the adverse New Zealand weather. A heat pump has been installed in the living area and a wood burner with a wetback is there to warm you up on the cooler winter days. The separate laundry is the perfect spot to do your washing. 3 bedrooms are plenty for a family to enjoy some space to rest in peace. The Cherrywood shops are approximately 800 meters away, and the local schools are at a walking distance for the kids. Your kids will love the Carlton Street Reserve just across the road. This is certainly an opportunity for many. If it looks like you, give me a call and we'll arrange a viewing. This is Nicholas Meloni from EVES. I'll be looking forward to seeing you.